Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Hello from New Orleans. So what I wanted to do is just make this quick video. I finally got a pen from Walgreens to write all of this out. So we started out with $1,930.05. These are all the things that I paid, which was a total of $1,278.05. I did have $652 left. When it comes to spending, out of $200, I spent $163, and I do have $37 currently in my wallet with me in cash. When it comes to gas, I budgeted $130, spent $130, and we don't have anything left. When it comes to extra, I budgeted for $20, didn't spend anything, and have $20 left. And for myself, I spent that entire $14. So out of $364, I spent $307 with a total of $52 left. Please send this $20 to my checking account for the back to school giveaway. And remember, we are doing that until the 21st, and I do have that $37 left in my wallet for spend. I'm currently just sitting here trying to cool off because it is hot outside. I mean, it's 99 and it feels like 111. So I just got paid and I finally got a pen, so now I'm able to write everything out. And this is what everything looks like so far. So I'm budgeting off of, So I'm budgeting off of $1,443.02. This is the amount that was sent to my deposit account. Offering is my gross amount minus $45 equals $169.02, and I did send a little extra to my sister as well. So I got $1,274 left. When it comes to the bills, all the bills total up to $903. So we have NES, which I already paid. Car note, which is $233, already paid. Rent, $440. I have to get that from the ATM machine. And this is what I sent to my Navy Federal account. So $130. It's going to pay for Prime, which is $7.65. We have Cricket for $118, and we have YouTube for $327. I have $371 left, and I made a mistake in my previous video. So I took $20 out of this paycheck for that back to school giveaway that we're having until. And then I have $551 that I'm keeping in the bank until I get home and figure out what I want to use it for. So that's it. That's the budget. I do hope you all have a great rest of your day.